This is a secret of glowing skin, chia pudding, a healthy and nourishing breakfast. To make this healthy breakfast, first you need a jar or container, then add coconut milk or any other plant-based milk of your choice. Why I am promoting plant-based milk? Because it is a healthier option in this modern world. Next into this I'm adding saffron, as saffron is great for skin because it promotes healthy skin, reduce pigmentation, keep skin soft and hydrated. Next I'm adding chia seeds, which are great for your skin and overall health as they are rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, iron, calcium, fiber, antioxidants, protein, like many other properties. Give all it a nice mix and soak it for about 3 hours, or best to soak it overnight. It's time to top it with some fruits. I'm using apple because since our childhood we know the health benefits of apple. You can use any other fruit of your choice also. For sweetness, I'm adding soft chopped date. Add pumpkin seeds for more healthy fats and vitamin E. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy videos. Miss Sharon, thanks for watching.